Top 5 UK 2 New Pence. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of coin collecting, specifically focusing on the top 5 ultra-rare UK 2 pence coins featuring Queen Elizabeth II. From their value to their intriguing histories, we'll cover it all. So let's get started. 2005 UK 2 New Pence. Now, let's talk about the value of this coin. The 2005 2 New Pence coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II is indeed a treasure for collectors, both in terms of its historical significance and potential worth. While the face value of this coin is just 2 pence, its numismatic value can vary significantly depending on its condition, rarity, and demand in the collector's market. Generally, coins in pristine condition tend to fetch higher prices, especially if they belong to a limited mintage or possess unique characteristics. Additionally, special editions or error coins, such as those with printing mistakes or misstrikes, can command premium prices among collectors and enthusiasts. Grading is also crucial in assessing the condition of a coin. Professional grading services evaluate factors like luster, surface quality, and where to assign a grade, which ultimately influences its market value. So whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious newcomer, keep an eye out for the 2005 Elizabeth II 2 New Pence coin, as it might just hold more value than meets the eye. Now let's journey back in time to uncover the rich history behind the 2005 2 New Pence coin. Minted as part of the modern decimal coinage system introduced in the UK in 1971, this coin holds a special place in British numismatic heritage. On the obverse side, we see the iconic effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, created by renowned sculptor Ian Rank Broadley. This portrayal of Her Majesty has graced British coins since 1998, symbolizing continuity and tradition. Turning our attention to the reverse, we're greeted by a depiction of the iconic Tudor rose, a symbol synonymous with English heritage and unity. This intricate design pays homage to England's rich historical legacy and cultural significance. Beyond its monetary value, the 2005 2 New Pence coin serves as a tangible connection to Britain's storied past, reminding us of the nation's enduring traditions and collective identity. 1997 2 New Pence. Before we delve into the specifics of this particular coin, let's take a step back and explore its historical context. The 2 New Pence coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II was first introduced in the United Kingdom in 1971 as part of the decimalization of British currency. Decimalization aimed to simplify the British currency system, transitioning from the pounds, shillings, and pence system to the decimal-based system we're familiar with today. The 2 New Pence coin was a vital part of this transition. Now let's focus on the 1997 edition of this coin. Queen Elizabeth II graces the obverse side, as she does on many UK coins, with the denomination 2 New Pence prominently displayed. On the reverse side, we see the iconic crowned portcullis, symbolizing the Palace of Westminster. Despite its relatively recent minting in 1997, the value of this coin can vary depending on several factors. Condition, rarity, and demand all play significant roles in determining its worth to collectors. So, how much is the 1997 2 New Pence Elizabeth coin worth? Well, in circulated condition, it typically ranges from a few pence to a couple of pounds. However, if you happen to have one in pristine condition or perhaps an error coin, its value could soar significantly higher. But remember, it's not just about the monetary value. Each coin carries a piece of history and tells a story of its own. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the joy of numismatics lies in the journey of discovery. 1975 UK 2 New Pence. Before we delve into the specifics of the coin, let's set the stage. It was the year 1975, and Great Britain was undergoing significant changes, both socially and economically. Amidst this backdrop, the Royal Mint released a new denomination, the 2 New Pence coin, featuring the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. This coin was part of a broader effort to streamline the UK's coinage system, providing smaller denominations for everyday transactions. Now, let's talk about the design. On the obverse side, we have a youthful portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, facing right, created by renowned sculptor Arnold Machin. This portrait, known for its elegance and simplicity, became one of the most iconic representations of the Queen during her reign. Flipping the coin over, we're greeted with the reverse side, which features the denomination 2 pence encircled by a floral wreath. This design symbolizes prosperity and growth, reflecting the optimism of the era. But what about its value and rarity today? Well, the 1975 2 pence Elizabeth coin holds both historical significance and monetary value for collectors. While its face value remains at 2 pence, its worth in the collector's market can vary based on factors like condition, rarity, and demand. As of our latest research, a well-preserved specimen of this coin can fetch anywhere from a few pounds to upwards of PS2 or more, depending on its condition and the prevailing market trends. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting your coin collection journey, the 1975 UK 2 pence Elizabeth coin serves as a tangible piece of history, encapsulating the spirit of its time and the enduring legacy of Queen Elizabeth II's reign. 1978 UK 2 pence. While it may seem like just a small piece of copper-nickel alloy, its worth extends far beyond its face value. In mint condition, these coins can fetch anywhere from a few pounds to upwards of PS10, depending on factors such as rarity, demand, and condition. Now let's journey back in time to explore the history behind this iconic coin. Released in 1978, this coin bears the likeness of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side, showcasing the elegance and grace that she embodies. The reverse side features the denomination 2 pence encircled by a floral wreath, symbolizing the unity and strength of the United Kingdom. This coin was part of a series introduced during the decimalization of British currency in 1971, marking a significant shift in the country's monetary system. During its circulation, the 1978 2 pence coin became a common sight in the pockets and purses of Britons, serving as a staple of everyday transactions. However, as the years passed, many of these coins were withdrawn from circulation, making them increasingly sought after by collectors. Aside from its monetary value, this coin holds sentimental value for many, serving as a nostalgic reminder of a bygone era. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, the 1978 UK 2 pence Elizabeth coin remains a cherished piece of history. 1988 UK 2 pence. Let's kick things off with the value of this coin. While its face value remains at 2 pence, its collector's value can vary depending on its condition, rarity, and demand in the market. Generally, circulated coins like this one may range from a few pence to a couple of pounds, but if you find one in pristine condition or with certain unique characteristics, its value could be significantly higher. Now let's delve into the history behind this little piece of numismatic treasure. The 2 pence coin was first introduced in 1971 as part of the decimalization of the British currency system. It features a depiction of the Prince of Wales' feathers on one side and the numeral 2 on the other, surrounded by an intricate floral design. Decimalization was a monumental shift, replacing the old system of pounds, shillings, and pence with a simpler decimal-based system. The 2 pence coin played a crucial role in this transition, becoming an essential part of everyday transactions across the United Kingdom. As for the 1988 edition specifically, it holds significance as part of Queen Elizabeth II's reign. She has been featured on British coins since ascending to the throne in 1952, making her one of the longest reigning monarchs in British history. From buying groceries to catching the bus, coins like these have been circulating through the hands of millions, each carrying a piece of history with them. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or simply curious about the stories behind the coins jingling in your pocket, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and value encapsulated within each one. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of coins. Until next time, happy collecting.